How to log in BNP Paribas. If you need to log in to your BNP Paribas account, follow these easy steps. Visit bnpparibas.com and select your country or banking division to access the correct login portal. Depending on your account type, select Personal Banking, Corporate Banking, or Wealth Management to proceed. Input your registered username or client ID, followed by your password. If it's your first time logging in, follow the instructions to set up your credentials. For security, BNP Paribas may require an extra verification step. This could be a one-time password, OTP, sent via SMS, email, or an authentication app. After successful authentication, you can now view your account balance, make transactions, and manage banking services securely. Click on Forgot Password on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it using your registered email or phone number. Ensure you're using the correct login page for your country and check for any service disruptions. If needed, contact BNP Paribas customer support for assistance. For a secure experience, always log out after use and avoid logging in from public networks. I hope this will help you. Thanks for watching.